Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu ukupresana u-subscribe button, otherwise bazolithatha le page leli, bazolithenga abantu. Kunini ngithola ama-offer cause malikhula kuzoba more stable, sikwazi ukuthi abantu mabathi bafuna ukusinika lo 200,000 sinqabe, yabo. Kodwa manje malingakhuli thola ukuthi alifile sekuma-20,000 subscribers, then nizobona sekuwomunye umuntu okhuluma isingisi. But asingeneni ku-Happy Mashiane nolokhunjana uSamkelo Zwane bazodlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje if bazonikwa i-chance ukuthi badlale. Into engifuna ukuyibuza ukuthi would you guys be hurt if uSamkelo Zwane uperforma to his best ability, ucontribute kakhulu for Iswelele thola ukuthi bagcine sebayishayile i-Kaizer Chiefs? Angisho ukuthi bazoyishaya, but think about this. I was watching i-match angazi yase-South America or yakuphi, baloni player udlala ne-team yakhe-ke manje i-team yakhe idinga i-draw ukuthi i-survive i-relegation. Walishaya phakathi umjida ngama-last minute, i-team yakhe yonke le emlonile yamgijimisa ngoba ikwateleni ukuthi ungikora kanjani mfethu, sithathe usisa manje kumvela or kune-N_F_D yangale South America. But yeah, Happy Mashiane, i-Kaizer Chiefs beyinganama-plans ngaye number one, asikhulumeni iqiniso bafethu. There was no plan vele bekumele ahambe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, whether kuloni or ku-permanent deal. And kudala sekuneminyaka u-Happy Mashiane every transfer window kuthiwa potential uzohamba kuma-team ase-Cape Town kaShaka Cima, but i-deal beyingahlangani for some time, right? And then uSamkelo Zwane i-agent yakhe beyilokhu ikhuluma ithi bamzamela iplani lokuthi athole ama-minutes or athole i-game time. Sikhumbule ukuthi he was also linked with AmaZulu because of Arthur Zwane, ne? So lama-player la if bawanika i-chance or banikwe oyedwa i-chance ukuthi adlale laphana against i-club yakhe, I mean mina ngeke ngiphatheke kahle. For example, if like ngiyi-owner le team or ngi-favourite team, ngibulawa ama-player wami engiwalonele enye i-team because of i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs or i-technical team ithe Happy Mashiane noZwane they can play against the-Kaizer Chiefs, there's nothing wrong. Nabo mentally lento le ibenzani ukuthi will they be able to perform to their best of their ability? And sikhumbule i-coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs iziyamenshini ukuthi labantu laba bane-inside information yonke ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean bawazi ama-coach in and out ukuthi aplana kanjani overall. Kuzoba nzima for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-way better team than Iswelele bafethu, but mawunabantu abaziyo ukuthi udlala kanjani, phela uLilephu udlala ngendlela eyodwa bafethu, asikaze sambona tshentsha, akekho versatile kufana namanye ama-player. Yabo Augustine Sirino unayo le bit of versatility because uyakwazi ukuba u-number 10 abe yi-creator nje kuphela, and then uyakwazi ukudriver forward. So mawubhe uModi ku-Kaizer Chiefs kule position lena i-left wing la adlala khona bafethu is too predictable. Uvala isikhala ispace ubuyele emuva akasena-choice, and he wants to take players on noma kuthola ukuthi isikhala asikho. So ama-small details lawa azosiza Iswelele ukuthi potentially bangakwazi ukuthola ama-results. But at the end of the day, or the way ngibona ngakhona, I don't see Iswelele sithola ama-results against the-Kaizer Chiefs. Like pound to pound Iswelele sile phansi bafethu, as much as like, and sikhumbule ukuthi ama-player amaningi vele bawathathe kuphi uSuperSport United. SuperSport United beyingaphefomhi last season, cishe nayo beselwela i-relegation. At the same time Iswelele siqale kahle, first game I think bawine 4, bawine ngakhi, besibona ngathi babuyile-ke Mike, then they went down again. So it's a big day for Happy Mashiane, Happy Mashiane noZwane, and it's a big day for uPotsane, uSayile, uNokovic. Labo kwama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, ukuthi obviously mababhekana ne-Kaizer Chiefs kumele bayinqume, especially laba base bahambe permanent, whereas mhlawumbe uMhappy Mashiane noZwane bona they would wanna impress i-Kaizer Chiefs, bayibonise i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi benze iphutha ngokuthi babahambise. But at the same time, for mina, okay, uHappy, I know him since he was young, like from a youngster, ukuthi udlala ibhola elinjani. And isikhathi esiningi uma ngikhuluma ngoHappy ngiyazama ukuchaza kubantu ukuthi lo muntu lo uyi-left back. Lento le abantu banokuphikisana nami bathi akusiyi-left back uHappy Mashiane, ngithi mfethu uphikisa mina, umuntu engimazi personally uyi-left back, but ubu-left back bakhe ulobu obuhlakaniphile ukuthi uya phambili. Abantu bit older generation kancane, hhayi ama-2K, ama-2K because abone kancane. Khona umuntu bedlala uMarcelo ku-Real Madrid, beka-attack-a strong umuntu okhona, yileyo left back-ke. uMarcelo bowungambeka ku-wing back, ukuthi manje sekunama-position amaningi avele they invented this new position for the past couple of years. Sekunama-position amaningi or amagama, but at the end of the day lilodwa igama le-left back bafethu, i-left back, but-ke i-versatile. Seyi-versatile iyakwazi ukuya phambili, abantu sebathi i-winger umuntu wakhona. Akaze aba yi-winger, but since he was a boy, he was a small boy, bekadlalela i-left back, but njalo i-offensive ufuna ukuya phambili from eGymnastini kule academy bekadlala kuyo to i-Black Poison yaseThembisa eMthambeka or esiqongweni ngale kulawo masayidi lawo, is just one position impilo yakhe yonke. So ku-Kaizer Chiefs bayibonile i-versatility yakhe ukuthi oh okay, uyakwazi ukuya phambili, and then ba-switch i-position isikhathi esiningi, kanti i-position yakhe i-left back and is comfortable. Same thing noma the way adlala ngakhona uMako, i-versatility yakhe. Maybe uMako-ke wadlala enye i-position, wakhula mhlawumpe edlala different positions because of une-flair, u-skillful-ke uMako, i-play different than uHappy, but uHappy is just based on i-left back. Yinto engimazi ngayo mina. Bafune ukumtshentsha mase sebasevela lapha ne-TV, bayamlimaza in a way because of akanayo i-pace, ukuthi akafani nabo-Modi ukuthi maybe u-creative, he can take players on, uyashaya lapha nepalini kakhulu. No, ama-qualities wakhe asimple, i-good pass off the ball. Mhlawumpe ungambeka ku-midfielder, but-ke umbeke ku-midfielder ukuthi uzokwazi ukubaphasa for example ufana noVilakazi. NoVilakazi is a good passer off the ball. NoHappy Mashane, same thing, bafowethu, is a good passer off the ball. Yabona in terms of ama-pass, i-biggest strength sakhe i-quality yakhe ukuphasa bafethu. Hayi uyawashaya amaphasi umjida, hayi uyawashaya. Kudala waqala ukuwashaya bafethu, mhlawumpe anabo ma-12 bekwazi nje ukushaya ngephasi obonayo nawe ukuthi li-straight. So I wish kuSwelele bamdlalise according to i-strength sakhe, even if abafuna ukuthi adlale i-left back, but bamdlalise according to i-strength sakhe ukuthi okay, akanayo leyo pace kakhulu, akekho skillful ukuthi he can take players on, but i-strength sakhe bamdlalise ngaso ukuthi okay, uzobanika amaphasi isikhathi esiningi and then amake aphase kahle, amake nama-free kick u-good, obviously namakhona uyakwazi ukuwashaya because of he's a good passer of the ball overall. Whereas uZwane, the aggression part of i-game kumele ibe khona from mina because udlala i-midfield, but ucoach weSwelele FC umthanda kakhulu uZwane. Ngimbonile umqalisa against i-Orlando Pirates la bebangaliboni khona elidlalayo, bazi ukuthi ibhola ngeke bakwazi ukulithola isikhathi esiningi, usho ukuthi bazoba semuva, but-ke they frustrated Orlando Pirates, bagcine baya naku-extra time, right? But abakwazanga ukuyiwina i-game overall, but they really played in terms of like i-midfield ukuthi ingazi-expose kakhulu Orlando Pirates ukuthi ithola ama-clear cut opportunities, izinto ezinjalo, but the players have something to prove bafowethu, something to prove ngempela. But umbuzo lo ngiwubuzile uma ngiyivula yonke le nkulumo bafowethu ukuthi ama-Kaizer Chiefs fans azokwata phela bese ubulawa iplayer lakhe elikuloni, uHappy Mashane uyakora or uZwane udlala ngathi ifinali. There's no way ama-fans ayijabulela leyo nto leyo, but at the same time leyo nto if baphefoma kahle, if bathole i-opportunity, cause uHappy kuzoba nzima ukuthi adlale ku-left back cause khona iplayer eli-good kakhulu uNeo Rapport, superstar left back, and-ke uyakwazi same thing with Mashane, ungambeka nakule position abathi wing back, ungambeka even advance, ayi-staff, futhi i-staff futhi, hayi uRapport wakhona ayi-star loyo mjidi loyo. But yeah, there's no way you're performing good against i-team ekukhokhelayo. There's no way, because of at the same time I don't see uHappy ebuyela ku-Kaizer Chiefs edlala like full time, cause mawubheka he was there for some time, like he's been ku-Kaizer Chiefs for some time, since i-DDC time days. Yes, yena uyi-development yakhe udlalela ama-team amaningi a-different like emncane, and then Kaizer Chiefs ngathi imthatha ena-18 or 17 lapho nje, then imfaka ku-DDC team, waqala lapho ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or think slightly before lapho, maybe benza grade, is it 11? No, that time, yeah, lapho nje, I can't remember very well, but imagine yokuphela i-team oyaziyo, ikuphela i-team yaku-introduce ku-limelight, abantu bayakuthanda be-Kaizer Chiefs, ubulala yona. But ayisobona bafethu ukuthi bazodlala kanjani bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe bafethu, ningakhohlwa, ibalulekile lento le ukuthi ningabukeli kuphela, lizohamba le page, bayalifuna abantu, bafuna ukungidonsa ngemali. So if ama-subscribers mancane and then alikhuli ngale pace yami ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuzi-sustain, soba ne-problem. Danko bafethu.